appointment committee say omupa omu failing nipa ba ko me expose omu ina.
Listen.
Who dey me say me dey appointment committee me we ya me resign regulations about the out me we I resign as member of parliament me appointment committee so me e fail obi a wo ba ti ni be si Ghana. What is one of nobody is clean.
Nobody at Japan say or there the appointment committee say Omu and Brentia they should disqualify one minister in Canada Japan or say even on Crofona Omuya vetting they are not clean. This is Canada Japan. This is a serious threat to the NDC members Omuwa committee honor. Or say he's daring them say if they disqualify one minister or be expose you or money because or more questions they are not clean. They are not clean. So you see threat where Canada Japan Eddie Bay where a threat when you know a trap or Kasan or say I am talking on authority. Canada Japan no I am talking on authority. Sasa we ya Canada Japan Ekano. A threat bia say ebia appointment committee no yema omo bibia onu Canada Japan no is aware. And or evidence bia obabe expose omo if they disqualify one. So omu di agro no omo disqualify one minister. Canada Japan so obaba bonti ababe expose omo. Because omo ankasa no they are not clean. So this should tell you say asan we ya Canada Japan ebabe kai say any friendly obi a won hu ade so so obeto abobo e de abowa na kire say ne nan no e gina abobo so e dey e na ye gina so a Canada Japan e gina so e ma sa threat we to the president sa committee hono mo a e ye horrible muntaka ene hero na advice na e wo hono so sa threat we ya Canada Japan e ma ye no eno eno committee no e suro eno omoto aba e approve these ministers are they afraid they say because Canada Japan MSR threat way I think few days before sa vote way ebaso so in Penifano Amoti Kennedy warning our mind say if they fail one minister or be expose them. So we are waiting for the NDC committee to prove us they have nothing to hide. If they are in parliament campaigning for NDC MPs to vote in favor of some ministers, nature says some Kennedy they have something to hide. They took something almost say Kennedy betini ababe expose. This is why some of the leadership in NDC in parliament they are shaking. Uhu body language in some aircourse ya approach munta kasa mesra obi our friend brother Aswad don't call on that line on one media program so you can call on my Zane brother Aswad please stop calling Kennedy Kai.
Regulations about the out me I resign as member of parliament appointment committee so me e fail you obi a wo ba ti ni be si Ghana. What is one of nobody has given moral right to question anybody. I mean, I'm a catcher of nature in Japan. I speak on authority. That's why Ghana police.
And therefore, we any message that Canada Japan Ediba Bonting a direct threat to the appointment committee. No, so Omu and Brent here, if they have balls, they should disqualify one minister and see what will happen. You see, so in this sense, what you mean say, Ebiano. Some of the members in appointment committee, they've been trapped. What I say, by accepting something MPP for Asheda after evidence to use it against them. And so now, the MPP had this information or more CID or Canada Japan to use it to threat the NDC appointment committee. What I say, this is the game, and all game where the ultimate goal, is to cause confusion in NDC and divide NDC for them to reclaim majority in parliament come 2024. What I say? So when you know a strategy. But here is the case. Minya information be ewa siya hono mo say some of the MPs now, NDC MPs now, Monta Kanomo, Haruna Drisu, and then Krofa or Mokeka Kikasa appointment committee. Yenya rumors be, but mean to me and can say, what I say, yenya rumors be, chere at the cry, yema or more individually. What I say, so where of course, even within the NDC, they know, say, the leadership in the NDC, they took something. Omo GBB. I mean the leadership in parliament. What I say, they took something from the MPP. And don't forget, say, voting where air course on Yanano. Na Gabi and in parliament honomo. Gabi on your MP, on your minister, and then open honomo. He's there to survey Nkrumah, Yema or Musika in darkness. Or person by president. Gabi, our parliament house. Na etresa Akufo-Addo ho. So Gabi is not an MP. Onye minister opede e parliament honom. He is there to supervise Nkrumah ye de bribe ema omo no e de na ome. Because o honom na se omu hu na ombe hu se Nkrumah ya omudi sikama ya no omo ne nam how. So sir, that picture a bit creates some fear and panic within the NDC leadership and NDC members now omoje bribe. They say don't take bribe and go and vote for somebody else or and go and vote no. So Gabi presence in parliament, is a big signal to everyone to know say something is wrong somewhere. Bibi koso, and Bibi akoso, and Gabi is there to make sure say near koso in darkness, I then the ultimate goal oma achieve. Sankanyes Gabi is not needed in parliament, and then open honor. What I say. So my main message in this program and on this issue is the NDC grassroots. Here, baby, SSA NDC for your energy, any your friend say your vision and your focus ebekono is to make sure say you the John Dramani Mahama aba back as president. Emma before be Emma wo and offense Emma number why you mean say because of near some minor MPs because Osha vote na echo so now 137 so waiting na ABA Fuseni Kasano ABA Fuseni say e shanu before say grassroots no kase NDC for na MPs no margin bribe ekobani say ya omo ye innocent no what I say. They are accusing them wrongly and because ono wanje bribe bia and don't forget some Nkrumah within the NDC are move voting in favor. They are at least around 20 and NDC your MPs near 137. So if somewhere below 30 vote in favor of the minister, naturally 100 na akan over 100 na akan. So we should be very careful. Say, min tuaba. Me jai NDC it's a wrong message and a message bia SSA be free every strong and genuine NDC member biano SSA obeka sa some way. Some mistake be ba. Utenasi I know be some whole question. What should be the steps going forward? Again, necessary because MPC over 137 no. How many? Because the MPP no only 137 and ABF saying what can be or say some of the NDC MPs are fighting coronavirus. So omentimi amba parliament, but omo medical condition yentimi for to abonti say esimesi yari coronavirus, but. Yani he was forced to make this known to public. Say some of the NDC MPs, are fighting coronavirus, and so they could not make it to parliament for them to vote. This is why Osha you see NDC, around you see 18. So how many MPs amba in parliament? This is because you see most of them are fighting coronavirus, and so they can't. And as a muntimimba, and our medical condition to me because say simesi yari corona no. So some of the MPs, they couldn't make it to parliament on that day. But the NDC, you were 137 and less than 30 voted in favor. So adentina yedi obi mfonso a nipa fiu bi aye na yedi aforo nkare ne nyina. What I say, ABF say ne ka sembi or say the leadership in parliament Haruna Idrisu any honorable Muntaka no or see ejuma omudi kan the teamwork, the communication, senior omo draw strategy, omoni president kasa, omoni party rank and fast regarding who elected speaker of parliament. No communication very very concrete, very very strong. On time omuko vote speaker of parliament. No communication juma. Now the leadership in NDC in parliament omo juma paye. No omo freeway, no omo free MPW. No offense, they fought well. Haruna Idrisu, Muntaka and Co. They fought very well. But this one did there as the leadership no. Offense, they just as Oman fan is serious bisa. That kind of communication now course any team worker course within the NDC party tama omo vote any speaker of parliament and see in this election. This is why NDC MPs fufro now omaba. Some of them are hungry. Obi oba fufro why campaign was sika onya hwe ye man contract bia. So let's focus on this aspect too. Especially some of the new MPs, they are hungry. Onisika afe na waba fufro, aba fresh. So ya disika kekra bi efa na adwumu a they will take it. So in this point, as I said, the leadership within the NDC, senior or moment communication, any monitoring, juma tama ye vote speaker of parliament, as I said, to make sure say some new MPs now mobile ye kuto madrin kasa chromo. Don't sell your dignity, don't do this, don't do that. Ano ankoso. And ono ABF saying osusu say we nyina na ebie kwan. We na ebie kwan. Ema some of the MPP for no gurus no enya kwan e penetrate here to bribe some of the NDC MPs to vote in favor. So one of the things that are lucky in this vote, is communication. The communication, so which means the leadership in parliament, are weak. Are weak, and I think it's not too late. Me nipa say yebe pam no kurano. Kenoforiata. Kenoforiata, I think says NDC for a vote to approve Kenoforiata. Then I think say if they are not careful, that party no say party nina. Because there is still room for improvement. There is a way to redeem their image. Your kind of Aforiata, your Conphobia, as I said, the NDC can use them to at least to calm the atmosphere down. Kenofurata is one, and some fewer NDC for Edwin said, almost a modern draw as I say, they disqualify them. So yes, but the main issue is the communication, the leadership in NDC, Oma must have communication and a strategy omudi lead a winning speaker position. Adentina Oma must have communication and yejuma this time round. Was it deliberate to create a window for the MPP to penetrate and bribe NDC members? Because sometimes certain things are done deliberately. NDC ni leader no on country also koto aba ma esimisi nemom obema kwan for you to be manipulated. Na why na adwi say onim ne ekoso. But say NDC leadership no per se onbenya all the NDC MPs on board to channel their energy towards one course. Ometimi aye because omedi kan aye tama ye friend is saying ye hwehwe elected speaker of parliament. They did it before. And so why ABF saying this time around their communication in there and ye jumakura. So why necessary the blame? It is the leadership in NDC. The leadership Muntaka any guy there Bonte, I forgot his name, one of the ministers, he's part of the appointment committee. And somehow no kai we are very smart, ultimately say bribe no OGB. What I say, and some key members in NDC, they were bribed. We all know this, and they can never deny this because it is obvious. Say bribe no omoji. But my main focus and my main problem, say, I don't think NDC grassroots no. Obey why you say nana dokwa kufado. Say also on to about NDC bioma. Naturally say you are voting for Nana Akufo-Addo. Say on to about NDC bioma because near party say problem where you are AC when they choose Hawa Kumsi, when they choose Kojopo Nkrumah is Nana Akufo-Addo. He is the main target. Why any corruption where you so the Supreme Court in the Electoral Commission and Nana Akufo-Addo on our threat. So let's channel our energy to remove Nana Akufo-Addo. And then yen channel energy and coming together. What I say now, yen share the structure of the leadership in NDC in Parliament. They've been compromised, and it is high time NDC IBB found. It is high time. Say yes, sir. Haruna Idrisu Muntakane Wine. Now I'm only NDC for MPP for Omako 18 Baku. Omako 18 Baku. Even Eda Akufo-Addo Ebabema State of the Nation and Obabema Ebabe Swen in, he was working with Honorable Haruna Idrisu. The chemistry between them is very strong, and some of the NDC majority leader and minority leader they are friends. So deals be El Koso underground, and I don't think say under no circumstance as an MP Ube take the feelings of unconfort or moto about Emma wo copy or honomono, would do feelings no more conscience no ebedi agro, which means you are a selfish person. We are very selfish to sacrifice unconfort or more essay or more adaji echo to about Emma echo jina ewiem eto about Emma to go in Parliament. Then you forget all of a sudden you put all of them in garbage, and then you do your own thing. Forget forgetting say you sign 4 years ago. We are going back to elections. And therefore, let's be very careful. NDC for yes Ramo. The only fighter, as I say, fighter let's monitor some vetting process way to the end. Now after this blow now air course. Don't forget say some time ago the MPP were crying like us. Now MPP for the speaker position they were crying. Akufo-Addo went me under NDC for Omofa Speaker of Parliament went me under. And this is why Kandapa should go and take paper and put in his mouth, to put in his mouth and be chewing like a goat when you have frustration. And some of the base strong base in MPP they were frustrated. Tama NDC for FR Speaker of Parliament, but they were able to reunite themselves, come back as a team, and try to get some of the NDC MPs on board to vote in favor of their MPs. So why can't we do the same? Mistake of course. Let's sit down and analyze, put some corrections, and then look for future. Try to change things. Then in near future, we'll see positive outcomes. Send the MPP for LUC speaker or more company shaky. They are back together again.